Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a simple formula for writing stronger Google Ad headline. Many local business ad mention only the service. For example, AC repair, plumbing services, roof replacement. This headline tells customer what the business offer, but they do not explain what benefit the customer will receive or why they should trust that business. That is why we will use a simple three-part formula: keyword plus benefit plus proof. The keyword create relevance, the benefit shows value, the proof build trust. A strong ad should not only say this is the service, it should also say this is why choosing us may be helpful and safe. In this presentation, we will learn how the formula work, how to choose the right benefit, how to use real proof, which mistake to avoid, how to build a balanced responsive search ad. So let's begin with why a relevant headline can still be too weak. Okay, this is my slide 1. Here I describe about the headline relevancy. Imagine a homeowner searches emergency plumber near me. Within seconds, they see several plumbing ads. One headline say professional plumbing service, another say local plumber near you. A third ad say emergency plumber, fast help, license and insured. All three ads are related to plumbing, but the third ad answer more customer question. Emergency plumber confirm the service, fast help show the benefit, and license and insured gives a reason to trust the company. The first two ads are relevant, but they do not give a strong reason to choose one company over another. Relevance can earn attention, value and trust can help earn the click. Local customer often compare several similar businesses. If every ad says professional, trusted and affordable, the customer may choose based only on ad position, a known brand or the lowest price. Which business do you contact first? Professional plumbing service or emergency plumber, fast help, license and secured? Most people will prefer the second message because it explains the service, the value and the trust signal. The keyword create relevance, the benefit and proof make the ad stronger. Now let's break down the three part of the formula. So here I describe the three-part formula for professional headline. The formula contains keyword, benefit and proof. Each part answer a different customer question. Part 1, keyword. The keyword explain the main service or search topic. Example include emergency plumber, AC repair, roof replacement and family dentist. The keyword answer is the service I need. Part 2, benefit. The benefit explain what the customer may gain. Example include same day help, free inspection, easy booking, upfront pricing and fast appointments. The benefit answer what do I gain by choosing the business. Part 3, proof. Proof make the business easier to believe. Example include licensed and insured, certified technicians, rated 4.9 stars, over 300 reviews and 15 years of experience. Proof answers why should I trust this company? A complete ad idea may be AC repair, same day service, certified technician. Keyword creates relevance, benefit creates interest, proofs create trust. Do not force all this part into one crowded headline. Inside the responsive search ad, this part can appear across several headlines. The formula works as one system, even when each part appear in different headline. Now let's understand why these three parts affect click decision. When a customer compare ad, their thinking often follow three simple steps. First, they look for relevance. Second, they look for value. Third, they look for trust. The keyword create recognition. The customer think this ad matches my search. The benefit create interest. They think this company offers something useful. The proof create trust. They think this business looks safe and reliable. Different service need different benefit and proof. For an emergency plumber, customer may care about fast response, 24/7 and licensing. A useful headline set could be emergency plumber, 24/7 help and license and insured. For roof replacement, customer may care about a free inspection, financing, warranty, and experience. Possible headline include roof replacement, free roof inspection, and workmanship warranty. For a family dentist, customer may include easy booking, gentle care, good reviews, and trained dentist. Possible headline include family dentist, easy appointment booking, and 5-star patient reviews. The right benefit depend on what the customer need at the moment. Financing available may help with a large installation, but during an emergency, fast local help is usually more important. The landing page must also support that promise. If the ad says free inspection, the page should explain how to request it. The formula moves the customer from this is relevant to this looks useful and trustworthy. Let's apply the formula to an emergency plumbing ad. The customer searches emergency plumber in Dallas. Before writing the ad, we should identify what the customer wants. They probably need fast help, local service, a trusted plumber, less risk, and an easy way to call. The keyword is emergency plumber. This confirm the service. The benefit is same day help. This show speed. The proof is licensed and insured. This reduce safety concern. The full message become emergency plumber, same day help, licensed and insured. Now compare it with plumbing service in Dallas. That version mentions the service and location, but it does not clearly show the emergency need, the main benefit, or the reason to trust. Inside a responsive search ad, we can spread the message across several headlines. For example, emergency plumber, Dallas emergency plumbing, same day plumbing help, licensed and insured, and call for immediate help. This creates a stronger message without placing everything inside one headline. The same method works for other industries for HVAC, AC repair, fast appointment, certified technicians for roofing, roof repair, free inspection, 5-star local team, for cleaning, house cleaning, easy booking, background checked cleaners. Use the customer search language, then add the benefit and proof they care about most. Now let's review the mistake that weaken this formula. The first mistake is using only one keyword. For example, AC repair. The headline is relevant but gives no strong reason to choose the company. The second mistake is using unclear benefit. For example, great service, better solution, or excellent result. This phrase do not explain what the customer will receive. Clear benefit include same day appointment, upfront pricing, or easy online booking. The third mistake is using proof without evidence. For example, best plumber in Dallas without proof. This may sound too bold. Better proof may include licensed and insured, rated 4.9 star or over 300 reviews. The fourth mistake is mixing reviews with a benefit. Experienced team is a business feature of proof. Fastest repair and less downtime is a customer benefit. The fifth mistake is choosing the wrong benefit for the search intent. Financing available may help with installation, but it is useless helpful than 24/7 help during an emergency. The sixth mistake is adding too much information. Try to include the keyword, location, offer, benefit, proof, brand, and CTA. Inside one headline, create a crowded message. The final mistake is the ad to the page mismatch. If the ad promises same day help, a free inspection, or a warranty, the landing page should confirm it. Every headline part should be clear, relevant, real, and supported after the click. A good formula cannot fix an unclear benefit, weak proof, or a broken landing page's promise. Now let's build the headline step by step. The first step is choose one focus service. Example include emergency plumbing, drain cleaning, AC installation, or roof repair. The second step is choose the main keyword theme. Use simple language customer understand quickly. For example, emergency plumber. The third step is identify the customer main need. Ask what matter most: speed, availability, easy booking, clear pricing, less risk, or convenience. For this example, we choose same day help. The fourth step is select one real proof point. Possible options include licensed and insured, certified technician, 5-star rated, 15 years of experience, or workmanship warranty. The fifth step is combine the parts naturally. For example, emergency plumber, same day help, licensed and insured, etc. The sixth step is create several useful version, test a defined benefit, a defined proof point, a local message, or an offer. The simple formula is service keyword, main customer benefit, real proof. More example include roof repair, free inspection, 5-star local team, and others. AC repair, fast appointment, certified technician. House cleaning, easy booking, background checked cleaners. Start with the service, choose the best benefit and support it with the real proof. Inside responsive search ad, this idea should become a balanced headline set. So this is my slide 7. Here I describe about build a balanced RS headline set. A strong responsive search ad should not contain 15 headline that repeated the same message. Instead, build headline with different roles. For an emergency plumbing ad group, keyword focus headlines may include emergency plumber, Dallas emergency plumbing, and brass pipe repair. Benefit focused headline may include same day help, 24/7 service, and upfront pricing. Proof focus headline may include licensed and insured, 5-star local team, and experienced technician. Action focus headline may include call for immediate help, check today's availability, and book plumbing service. This gives Google different useful messages to test while keeping every headline connected to the same search intent. You can also test different message combination. Version A may use fastest response with license and insured. Version B may use upfront pricing with 5-star rated. Version C may use 24/7 availability with local technician. Avoid too much headline pinning unless strict control is truly needed. Too much pinning can reduce the number of combinations Google can test. Most importantly, do not judge the headline using CTR alone. Review, conversion rate, qualified lead rate, cost per qualified lead, appointment rate, close rate, and customer value. A headline with fewer clicks may still produce more profitable customer. Build a balanced headline set, then let customer quality decide the winner. Let's finish with a simple action plan. So here I describe a complete keyword planning formula, which is keyword plus benefit plus proof action plan. Here is the complete process. Step 1, choose one focus ad group. Do not use one headline set for every service. Start with one clear customer need. Step 2, find the core keyword. Use clear language customer understand. Step 3, identify the main need. Decide whether the customer values speed, availability, clear pricing, easy booking, trust, or less risk. Step 4, choose the best benefit. Select the benefit that fits the search intent. Step 5, add real proof. Use a claim the business can support. This may include a license, certification, reviews, experience, or warranty. Step 6, create different version. Test different benefit and proof point. Do not repeat the same message with small word changes. Step 7, match the landing page. This page should confirm the service benefit proof and offer shown in the ad. Step 8, measure the business result. Reviews, qualified leads, appointment, customer, cost per customer, and revenues. The final formula is service keyword plus customer benefit plus real proof equal a stronger Google ad message. The goal is not to make the headline longer. The goal is to make it more relevant, more useful, and easier to trust. Move the customer from recognition to interest to trust and finally to action. So let's summarize the most important lesson. A keyword is important, but it is usually not enough to create a strong advertisement. The keyword tells the customer this is the correct service, the benefit that tells them the business offered something useful, and the proof tells them this message look real and trustworthy. The formula is keyword plus benefit plus proof. So use this part across a balanced responsive search ad instead of forcing them into one crowded headline. Match the benefit to the customer need. Use proof to business can support and make sure the landing page continues the same message. A strong headline does not only repeat the keyword, it gives the customer a clear benefit and a real reason to choose the business. This is how headline can attract better leads, qualify leads, and more profitable customer. So thank you everyone. Now I would love to hear your question. Question may include Google ad headline, responsive search ad, customer benefit, proof point, lead quality, or headline testing. And if you have any question regarding all of this topic, just comment me or inbox me.